Let's make a really easy, fun farmhouse lavender arrangement using this milk can. So first I'm taking some of my stems, and I just realized that we forgot to add our moss to cover up our styrofoam. So let's get a little bit of our sheet moss, or you can use Spanish moss, and I'm just going to tuck that down in there. And then we're going to start adding some of our florals. So these are just a couple little scrap pieces I had that had the pretty little purple flowers on there. So we're going to get those added first. And then I'm going to go in with some taller stems. So I've got some taller sort of lavender purple stems we're going to add throughout the design. So I am just pushing those down into that foam. So what I did is I took some insulation foam, just some spray foam, and I sprayed it into my can and I let it sit for a couple days. If you don't want to use the spray foam, you can just use styrofoam that you can pick up at any of your craft stores and just glue that in as well. So here I'm just adding a few of these pretty little purple flower buds. We're just kind of mixing them in through our other flowers that we added to the design. So this is going to have a very airy sort of wildflower look to it. It's going to be super pretty. So I'm just going to fill this in, and then the last thing we're going to add is just some small little purple lavender pieces that we're going to add right around the bottom. Okay, so here's those little purple lavender pieces. I'm just going to cut them up, and I'm just going to add them all the way around the can right here at the bottom, just to kind of, fill that bottom piece out. And then that will be it for the floral. So you can see this was super easy to fill up this can. And the last little thing that we're going to do to add just the final little touch, and this is completely optional, you can leave it just like it is. But I decided I wanted to go ahead and wrap a purple or make a purple bow. So I'm just taking some 1.5 inch of purple lavender ribbon, and we're just going to tie a sweet little bow onto this design, but it's easily removed, not glued on, and I think it turned out super cute. So make sure you like, follow, share this with all your farmhouse friends, and I'll see you soon. Till next time, guys. Bye, y'all.